Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Bank of Jamaica says remittance inflows climbed by 3.6% to just over US $1.4 billion during the first 5 months of this year when compared to a similar period last year, as reported by RJR News. But the BOJ notes that this growth was significantly lower than increases seen in other countries, such as El Salvador, which grew at 19.2%, Guatemala at 11.4%, and Mexico at 8.3%. And about 68.2% of the funds to Jamaica come from the United States, followed by 11.5% from the United Kingdom, 9.6% from Canada, and 6.3% from the Cayman Islands. Despite the increase, the BOJ reports that remittances as a share of gross domestic product fell to 16.9% last year, down from 20.2% in 2022. Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited, which trades on the junior stock market as Purity, has secured a $600 million 10-year credit facility from Sagicor Bank Jamaica. According to its press release, the multi-purpose loan facility includes tranches to refinance existing loan agreements, invest in plant upgrades and production efficiencies, and provide additional liquidity for working capital. The strategic financing arrangement is expected to strengthen the company's balance sheet and enhance its capacity to execute key business initiatives. For the trading period ending July 25, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,971,411 units traded, representing 16.86% of market sales volume. Alternative energies provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,878,330 units traded, representing 16.07% of market sales volume. Caribbean Financial Conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 1,393,307 units traded, representing 11.92% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 25, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $49.80 million purchased and US $42.84 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.97 per dollar, selling the US at $161.29 and buying the US at $159.32. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 49 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.90 and buying at $117.41. The British pound yielded Forex traders $9.04 in profits, with selling at $219.30 and buying at $210.26. For our credit report tip of the day, let's get real. When you are navigating anxiety, burnout, grief, or depression, credit scores and unpaid bills can feel like the last thing on your list, and yet they quietly accumulate in the background, affecting your future access to housing, funding, and financial peace. But here's the truth. You are not your credit score. You're not your past due notices. You are not the lowest point of your story. If you've walked through mental health struggles and now feel strong enough to face your finances, that is worth celebrating. So review your credit report, even if it feels scary. Pick one account to bring current or negotiate. Celebrate micro wins, ask for help, and get real help. Now, if you're building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, again, let's be honest, starting over or scaling up financially after the age of 45 requires more than just hope. It requires strategy, self-belief, and a strong pinch. Whether you're recovering from divorce, job loss, a failed business, or simply tired of being underestimated, your next level begins when you can clearly pitch who you are, what you need, and why it matters. Here are ways to strengthen your ability to pitch for support so that you can attract capital clients, collaborators, and credibility. First, list 3 outcomes that you consistently deliver. Then ask others how you help them solve a problem. And then identify the results of your work. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.